Do you want to speak English confidently and easily? I have 7 tips for you that can really improve your English speaking skills starting today. Hi, welcome to Arsalan Academy. This is Arsalan, and tip number 1, speak every day. If you want to learn English fast, you have to have a habit of it. Let me share one technique with you. You can select one topic. It can be my best friend, it can be about politics, it can be about anything, and start speaking on that topic. It can be few sentences, or it can be as long as a minute or 2 or 5. And I think you should speak not only once, try it 2 to 3 times a day. After some time, you'll start noticing improvement. Tip number 2, stop translating everything in your mind. Think in English. So that means if you're walking on the road and you see maybe a tree or a chair, so in your mind, you should say a tree or a chair. You should not translate it in the language that you speak in, which is your language 1. That means your native language. Okay? You see, we never stop thinking. If you're going to your school or maybe to your office, you can tell yourself that, I want the best grades this year. Or you can tell yourself that I want to have a promotion, etc. So always think in English. Think in English, okay? Tip number 3, copy your favorite English speaker. It can be an actor, it can be a teacher, or anybody else. So when you watch them or listen to them, pause the video and repeat what they said exactly in their style. You can copy their style, their sentences, or certain dialogues. I used to do that when I was a kid, and I think it was really fun. So copy your favorite speaker. Tip number 4, listen more. You see, communication is all about listening and speaking, but the more goes in, the more comes out, which means the more you listen, the more you learn how English sounds. You can listen to your favorite podcasts, movies, or animes. I would really want you guys to watch Naruto. That was one of my favorite animes. And if you want more suggestions on animes, mention it in the comments. Tip number 5, learn sentences, not words. So I've always seen students struggling to learn more vocabulary and they start memorizing the dictionary, which is really a bad idea. So you should learn vocabulary, but in sentences. For example, if the word is learn or go or school, so you can say, I like my school, I go to market, I learn English. This way you can improve your vocabulary and know how to use it. Tip number 6, be strong. Don't fear mistakes. A lot of students don't speak in public because they're afraid of making mistakes, which is wrong. You know why? Because even native speakers can make mistakes. I make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Just ignore it and keep speaking. It's not a big deal, And especially when you're learning English, it's okay to make mistakes. And as David Goggins says, stay hard. Tip number 7, while practicing listening, record yourself. You can use a cell phone and listen and notice what you can improve. It'll help you improve your confidence and track your progress. So here's your first challenge. Pick any 3 of these topics and start today. And mention your favorite tips in the comment section. And always remember, practice makes progress. See you in the next lesson.